Hi friends, Nicole Vincent here. Check this out. This is a beautiful diamond painting of hydrangeas that was sent to me as a gift to create and share with you, and I am so excited. I love diamond paintings. They are so soothing, so relaxing. They're so easy, and for wannabe creatives, that's me. I have a creator's heart, but I lack artistic ability. Diamond painting is so fun. So this comes with everything that you need to complete your painting, minus the frame. It comes with all the little plastic diamonds you're gonna need. It comes with your tools and trays. And underneath this, you're gonna have a plastic. If you've never done a diamond painting before, let me show you a few little things. This comes on a nice heavy duty canvas. Very nice. It's good and stiff yet flexible, so it's very heavy duty. You're gonna add the key for what colors match with what numbers. And then this has a plastic thing on it that peels off to cover the adhesives. This is all sticky, and so your diamonds will be applied there. And you just want to lift up a little bit at a time on the area that you're working. And then once you're done, it is just beautiful and stunning and frameable. So we're going to get busy putting this together and creating a beautiful piece of art. So let's get going.